Addmino 18 tutorial, protective and repairing. Before. Hair check. Hair reborn elixir. Divide the hair into 2 cm thick locks. Apply 2 to 5 pumps of hair reborn elixir depending on the length and health of the hair. And leave on for 4 minutes. Proceed with the application of the desired technical product, color or bleach, and leave on the time needed. Then rinse consciously. Hair Reborn Cleanser. Apply Hair Reborn Cleanser evenly. Massage the scalp and hair until a rich foam is obtained. Repeat the operation if necessary. Hair Reborn Mask. After rinsing off the shampoo, apply Hair Reborn Mask. And leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse consciously. Hair Reborn Leave-In. Apply Hair Reborn Leave-In evenly all over the hair. Proceed with the desired styling. Before and after.